This store is very bright. It has many healthy products.
I see so many bottles. I do not know where to start.
We need vitamins for energy. Let us look at this shelf.
My body feels very tired. Maybe I need vitamin C.
Vitamin C is very good. It protects you from the cold.
Here is a large bottle. It has 100 pills inside.
That is a great choice. You can take one every morning.
Should I take it with food or is water enough?
Always eat some food first. It is better for your stomach.
This bottle is very expensive. Why is the price high?
These are natural vitamins, Max. Natural things cost more money.
I see a cheaper bottle. Is it also good quality?
It looks okay for now, but check the ingredients list.
There is no extra sugar. That is very good for me.
Yes, sugar is bad here. We want only pure vitamins.
I am holding the vitamin C. Now I need something for bones.
Calcium is best for bones. It makes your teeth strong.
Is calcium in this green bottle? The text is very small.
Yes, that is the one. It also has vitamin D.
Why do I need vitamin D? The sun is out today.
Vitamin D helps the calcium. They work together as a team.
I am putting them in the basket. The basket is getting heavy.
We are making smart choices. Health is our big priority.
Do you need vitamins, Anna? You look very healthy today.
I need some vitamin B12. It is good for my hair.
I see the B12 over there. It is in a red bottle.
Thank you for finding it. Let us walk to that shelf.
We are becoming healthy people. I like this new shop.
Yoga and vitamins are good. We will feel very strong.
I am ready for more. What is on the next shelf?
Look at this yellow bottle. It says multivitamins on it.
What is a multivitamin? Is it many things in one?
Yes, it has everything together. It is very easy to use.
That sounds perfect for me. I can take only one pill.
It is good for busy days, but individual vitamins are stronger.
I will take the multivitamin too. It is good for my trips.
Check the date on the bottom. Is it fresh or old?
It says July 2027. That is very fresh, Anna.
Good. It will last long. Put it in the basket now.
I am reading about magnesium. Is it good for sleep?
Yes, magnesium relaxes your muscles. You will sleep very well.
Sometimes my legs are tired. This will help me tonight.
It is great after yoga. Your muscles need to rest.
I am adding it now. We have 5 bottles already.
Do not take too many. Always talk to a doctor.
I will call my doctor. He is a very smart man.
I am looking at fish oil. It is good for skin.
Does it smell like fish? I do not like that smell.
No, these have no smell. They are very easy to swallow.
My skin is very dry. I will try 1 bottle.
It is also good for eyes. You work at a computer.
My eyes are tired often. This is a great idea.
We are picking the best. This brand is very famous.
Look at the kids' vitamins. They look like gummy bears.
They are for children, Max. They have a lot of sugar.
Can adults eat them too? They look very tasty.
Adults need stronger pills, Max. Gummy bears are for kids.
Okay, I am an adult. I will take the big pills.
You are a strong man. You do not need candy.
You are right, Anna. Let us keep looking here.
Look at the blue shelf. These vitamins are for energy.
I need energy for work. Sometimes I am very sleepy.
This one has iron. Iron is good for your blood.
Will I feel like Superman? I want to be fast.
You will be awake, but you are not a superhero.
I am reading the back. It has a lot of zinc.
Zinc is good for the face. It keeps your skin clean.
I want a clean face. I will take this one.
Only take one a day. Do not take more, Max.
Why is it bad to take 2? I want more energy now.
Your body cannot use it. It is just a waste.
I understand you now, Anna. 1 pill is the limit.
Look at this herbal tea. It is for energy too.
I like tea very much. Coffee makes me feel strange.
Green tea is very smooth. It is good for your heart.
I will buy a box. It is cheaper than pills.
Drink it in the morning. Do not drink it late.
Because I will stay awake? I want to sleep at 10.
Yes, drink it at breakfast. You will be very productive.
I am very motivated today. I want to be healthy.
Yoga and tea are great. You are doing very well.
I am looking for vitamin E. Where is that section?
It is on the top. Use your long arms, Max.
I have the vitamin E. It is a small bottle.
It protects your body cells. It is a strong antioxidant.
Our basket is very full. We are very healthy now.
We are investing in ourselves. This is a good day.
Let us check the prices. I have my wallet here.
I have a discount card. We can save some money.
That is a great bonus. Let us go to pay.
There is a shop assistant. Let us ask a question.
Excuse me, sir. Is this vitamin D strong?
Max is asking about strength. We want the best one.
The assistant says it is good. It is high quality.
Ask him about the magnesium. Is it for night use?
Yes, he says it is. Take it before you sleep.
That is perfect for you, Max. You will have good dreams.
I am also asking about fish oil. Is it for heart?
The assistant is nodding his head. It is very good for hearts.
I am happy with these answers. The staff is very kind.
It is good to ask. Experts know the best products.
He is showing us a new brand. It is from Germany.
German products are often great. Let us see the bottle.
It is a multivitamin for men. It has special minerals.
That is perfect for you, Max. It is for active men.
I will trade my yellow bottle. I want the German one.
That is a smart move. It has more zinc, too.
My basket is even heavier now. I am a strong man.
You are very funny, Max. Let us finish our shopping.
Is there anything for your eyes, Anna? You read books.
I will ask the assistant now. Sir, what about eyes?
He is pointing to lutein. It is in a purple bottle.
Lutein is very famous for eyes. I will take one.
Now we both have special things. We are a team.
Yes, we are the healthy team. We are ready to pay.
Wait, I see some protein bars. Are they healthy too?
Some have a lot of sugar. Let us read the back.
This one has 20 grams protein and only 1 gram sugar.
That is a very good bar. You can eat it after yoga.
I am taking 2 bars. One for me, one for you.
We are at the desk. Put the basket here, Max.
There are many bottles here. I hope I have enough money.
Do not worry about that. I have my card ready.
The cashier is scanning the vitamin C. Beep, beep, beep.
Here is my discount card. Please scan this too, sir.
Look at the screen now. The price is going down.
We saved $10 today. That is a good discount.
I'm happy about that. $10 is a lot.
Now the cashier is scanning the tea. We have many things.
I am putting the bottles in bags. Be careful with glass.
Yes, the fish oil is glass. Put it in the middle.
I have 2 big bags now. They are very heavy bags.
I can carry one bag, Max. We can share the weight.
No, I'm the yoga man. I am very strong today.
Okay, you are the boss. Carry both bags then.
I am lifting them now. It is like a gym exercise.
The cashier is giving us a gift. It is a small cream.
A free cream? That is a very nice surprise.
It is for tired hands, Max. It is perfect for you.
My hands are not tired yet, but I will use it.
We have our receipt now. Put it in your pocket.
I have the receipt and change. Everything is correct today.
Let us leave the shop now. The sun is very warm.
I want to start the vitamins now. Can I take one?
Wait until we get home, Max. Have a glass of water.
You are right. I must wait. I am just very excited.
Being healthy is exciting, Max. It is a new life.
I feel like a young boy. I have so much energy.
That is the yoga and vitamins. You are doing great work.
Thank you for coming with me. You are a good friend.
We are home now, Max. Put the bags on table.
My arms are a bit tired now. Those bags were heavy.
Take your first vitamin now. Here is a glass of water.
I'm taking the vitamin C. It is a big pill.
Drink a lot of water with it. It helps the pill move.
Done. I feel very healthy already.
It takes time, Max. It is not a magic potion.
I know, but my mind feels better now.
We must be consistent every day. Do not forget a day.
I will put them near my keys. I see them every morning.
That is a very smart plan. You will never forget them.
Where do you put your B12, Anna? Near your phone?
I put mine in the kitchen. I take them with breakfast.
We are a very organized team. I am proud of us.
Tomorrow we go to yoga again. We have a busy week.
I am ready for the yoga class. I am a flexible man now.
We will see about that tomorrow. Practice your tree pose.
I am practicing right now. Look at me on one leg.
Be careful with the table, Max. Do not fall down.
I am stable like a mountain. The vitamins are working.
You are very funny today. Let us make some soup now.
Vegetable soup is very healthy. It has many natural vitamins.
Yes, real food is the most important. Pills are only extra.
I am cutting the big carrots. I am a kitchen master.
I am washing the green spinach. It has a lot of iron.
We have a very green kitchen today. I love this life.
It is a good and long life. We are taking care.
Thank you for the yoga, Anna, and thank you for vitamins.
Thank you for being my partner. Let us enjoy our soup.
Namaste, Anna. Let us eat now.